Hi, hello and welcome to the ninth part of this series of tutorials about setting up your SuSanA partner profile. In this part, I will show you how to create an event and publish it in your profile. So if you have an event coming up, you can advertise it via the SuSanA platform, and it will actually be displayed in three different locations on the website. The first place will be the SuSanA homepage itself. Scroll down a little bit where it says upcoming events, and this is actually a feed for upcoming events. The second part is on the events calendar, which is basically if you click on the events menu, you can just go to the events calendar, and this is the second place where the events will be displayed. And the third and last place will be your partner profile itself on the SuSanA website. Okay, so let's get started, and I'll show you how to add an event to your profile. First of all, go to the Events tab, which is the last one on the top menu. Then here you will have an empty box. In my case, I have a test that I uploaded before, but don't pay attention to this. So just go ahead and click on New Entry. Oh god, looks like my internet connection is always failing, but let me try again. It should be fine, yeah. Okay, so I will enter a title for my event. Let's call it Event Example. And same as before, click the red button if you want to create the entry, or if you would like to abort the action, simply click the escape key on your keyboard. Okay, so this form that opens now is again very similar to the forms that you've seen before with projects, with news, and with jobs. And the only couple fields that may require a little bit of additional explanation is the one with the dates, so the beginning and start time, and the end and end time. So this one here you can add you can enter the start and end dates of your event, and another field that might require a little bit of attention is the one with review of the event, which is it usually takes part after the event has taken place. So if you would like to write a small review after your event, then you can do it here, since the event will automatically be archived and still be accessible at the past event pages on the SuSanA website. So you can find that section right here on the events menu on the SuSanA website. If you click on past event pages, then this is where old events or past events are being archived, and here is where you can add, when you add a review to your profile, this is where it will appear. Okay, so I am not going to enter any information actually, maybe just some random text and save it. So my changes have been saved. I click on OK, and same as before, you can edit this event by clicking on this button at the top, or you can add a preview image. You can also add hyperlinks and upload PDF files, and also a map. As this kind of options I already covered in the previous tutorials, so you might already be familiar on how to do those things. The only thing that is new is under the media manager, there is this option to add a YouTube video. So let's go ahead and click on that option, and here you to enter a YouTube video, you basically all you have to do is enter the YouTube ID of the video, and you can find that on for example, let's go to the to one video of the SuSanA channel, which is called Lack of Water, Sanitation and Hygiene, Wash and its Effects on Nutrition. The ID is actually at the top in the URL. The ID is every single character that is to the right of this equal sign, V equals to the ID. This is the ID. So go ahead and click on Control copy or Command copy if you have a Mac, and go back to the events page and paste the ID of the video. Give it a title. So I'm just gonna give it the same title, and those are the required fields, the one with the asterisk. So just click on Video Aktualisieren, which means update video. And you do not get confused. I mean, nothing actually will happen. It just look a little bit grayed out, but your video has already been added to that particular event. So if you click on that entry that we just created, and you go to the preview button, then you will see how your event will look like on the events page. So we basically just enter the name of the event, and by default some date, because we did not enter any date, and the video, the YouTube video that we just embedded. And you can also click on it, and well, I mute it because I don't want to hear the explanation of it, but it's embedded and you can play it directly there. And I believe we also entered some little text in the review field. So yeah, there you go. That is how you add this YouTube video feature, which is only available for the Events tab. And yeah, I mean, if you would like to see a more complete version of an event entry, let's go to the one I created before. And here I have a little bit more complete profile. You can see the name of the event, the place it will take, where it will be, a little description of it, picture as well, a YouTube video, which is the same, and hyperlinks and download material. And what else? Well, the last thing I would like to let you know about is that if you would like to create an extensive documentation or have collected photos or videos or presentations from your event, please feel free to contact us directly at susana.org/contact, and we will help you with that. Thank you for watching.